Thanks, Julie. Yes, as you mentioned, we are at this amazing conference, and I have the opportunity to speak with Shannon McLay, the founder and CEO of the Financial Gym, which is a couple years old now, but is growing and kind of at the thick of the growth right now. Give me an update on how many clients you have and what kinds of services you really do provide.
Yeah, so we just last month passed over 1,800 clients. We currently work with clients in 47 states in the District of Columbia out of our gym in New York City. And we're growing very rapidly. We say that and we're kind of cult-like at the gym. We feel like just like everybody should go to a regular gym and get physically healthy, we feel like everyone belongs in our financial gym getting financially healthy.
But the thing is, the word gym has a bit of a chore feeling to it, and especially when people think about finances, which is something that they don't want to consider, or it's the very last thing they want to do in their free time. How do you really rebrand that identity?
Well, that's exactly why we put the gym analogy with money, because actually people are more interested in going to the gym than looking at their finances. And we joke, we say you'd rather go to the dentist. When our financial trainers reach out to our clients for check-ins, it feels like you're going to the dentist, but it's also a very healthy experience. And we are trying to change the view that people have around their personal finances. The two words we hear at the gym all the time, especially for women, is fear and shame around their financial situation. And money impacts everybody. It's a part of our DNA. And to feel that fear and shame, which are two very emotional and intense topics, are impacting people's money and their DNA, that's part of our mission. We want to change that. People shouldn't be feeling that way.
And we have some new news that debt among 19 to 29-year-old Americans exceeded $1 trillion at the end of 2018. Yeah. And this is kind of setting a record in a bad way. First time that it exceeded this amount since 2007. Yeah. If you look at the landscape right now, what is the number one concern that you are seeing from your clients?
The number one concern that we hear all the time is people feeling like they're living paycheck to paycheck. And a good part of that is debt. 70% of U.S. households have debt, and the average consumer debt is over $16,000. And then when you throw in student loan debt, 65% of the population has student loan debt, and the average student loan debt's over $25,000. It is a challenge, and living paycheck to paycheck is a common issue we see, and it's managing those debts and also managing your lifestyle.
One thing that is so interesting about personal training and even the fitness training when it comes to finances is it's customized. One thing that I'm curious about is, what about data privacy? When you say that you kind of have to be fully vulnerable to the financial advisors, what does that entail? And can you say with certainty that you are not going to exploit our data in any way?
Yeah, so we don't collect and aggregate our clients' data. We use a system that's called Plaid, and it stays directly with the actual bank accounts. All we do is capture a snapshot of where our clients are and capture their activity. The biggest thing we're looking for to get our clients financially healthy is, where is your money going? How are you spending it? And to make sure you're spending on the things you value and that you want to spend it on. So we're actually not collecting a lot of the data and information that
other
people should be concerned.
Other tech companies are plagued with right now.
Exactly. We're just curious about, where is your money going, and helping you spend it where you'd like to spend it.
Thank you so much, Shannon, for joining us today.
Thank you.
Have inspired me to work out a little bit.
Yeah, and have fun doing it.